Today we are going to make something unique, simple but beautiful.
Hello, beautiful ladies. Welcome to my channel. I am Wonders Craft. This is the home of trendy, elegant fascinator making, where creativity meets style and class. Sit back, get inspired, and let's create stunning fascinators together.
Today we are going to make something unique, simple but beautiful, just like you see here. So I'm sure you've come across the usual Senegalese straw hat, and if you're like me that doesn't really like it because it's not really fashionable, then you stick around because this one is giving baby girls hats. Firstly, you're going to be needing this beach hat. It's called straw hat. I don't know how much it's sold now. I bought this a long time ago. And then you're going to separate it just at that edge that I'm showing you. Do not touch the white band inside. Okay, so I separated mine and I'm going to show you how this will be restyled in a very simple and beautiful way. All right, so keep on watching and learning. I'm not going to do much talking but more of the videos. Okay, so this one thing you need to know is that this hat is not, it doesn't go around equally. So you can see where I cut mine and then it was not equalizing. I had to just cut it out. When you get the hat and cut it, you understand more on what I mean. Okay, so but I'm going to just, I'll cover that up. You'll see how everything will turn out very seamless. It won't even show at all. So I'm going to first of all, you're going to pin it to almost at the crown, like at the at the crown, the upper crown. Okay, you're going to pin it. Make sure it crosses your face, like it crosses to the other side of your face and is at the ankle of your eyebrow, because we are trying to make a Senegalese straw hat, right? You know how Senegalese hat is, so you're trying to slant it. I'm going to pin it down first, and then we are going to do the tagging after the pinning. So keep on watching how I am going to pin this down, and how I'm going to style this while we proceed. This, just ensure this one is behind like this. I'm going to use that one and pin it all around, as you see. So this is how this place was folded. You held it and then you fold it like a cone, like you're creating a cone shape. Okay, you can decide to do it once, or you can decide to take it up and fold it in twice, and then I pin it down. And the next thing I did, which I didn't show you, was that after I detach this hat from the crown, I took a line. I detached like a line of this from behind, okay, like a line from behind, and I got a long strip. So it was measured 14 inches, and this is me cutting it. I'm going to create some loops with it. Okay, that's 14 inches. I cut 14 inches, and I'm going to create some loops just like that to create a flower. All right, you can decide to create any kind of loop that you feel like, but this is the one I created. I'm going to design this up here or behind. I'm going to create another of that loop to make it two. All right, so I might not show that here, but I created two of these loops, and I'm going to sew it. You see, I created this one too. I'll sew it front and back as you see. So once I was done with this, it's optional to pipe it with bias where necessary, or you can leave it like this. So you can wear this in two ways. You can wear it to the front, you can wear it to the back. You see, this is the second method of wearing it, and this is the first method. Tell me in the comment section which way you prefer this should be worn. I love this, and I also love the second method. If this is your first time here, please do well to hit on the subscribe button, turn on notification, and share this with your family and friends. Do not go too far because I'm about to drop another straw hat banger. This beautiful style that will get you glued to your screen. This one is Mommy G.O style. If you have a mother and you love her so much, look out for this upcoming tutorial because this will be a perfect gift for mommy. You need to see the final look of this hat. Very lovely. Till we meet again, do have a great day.